Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
If you're planning to
Do ba do ba do ba do
so
ba do ba do
I
ba
posted
do
a tab.
do ba do boo do
I
a
just
do ba
got
do
a
ba do
hands-on review.
boo ba do
I just
a do ba do ba do.
So yun na nga guys, RIP gaming chair. Buti na lang pinadalan tayo ng panibagong gaming chair ni Muso. Yay! Alright, so meron na naman tayo magandang setup upgrade. Salamat Muso Philippines for sending this out. Make sure to check out muso.ph for their official website at doon kayo mag-shop ng kanilang mga gaming chair. So ang nakuha ko sa Muso ay ang Aeolus Series Fabric Computer Gaming Chair. At guys, grabe, nagkakahalaga tong 7,763 pesos. Grabe! Pero alam niyo ba guys, sobrang worth it itong gaming chair na to kasi ang daming cool features at sobrang comfortable niya pa. At feeling ko mas matibay to compared dun sa luma kong gaming chair kasi sobrang ganda ng quality. Meron na siyang adjustable backrest, free headrest, lumbar pillow, and a 2D armrest. Alam mo yung feeling na natataas baba mo yung mismong armrest mo? Sobrang comfortable niya. Tapos ito yung adjustable backrest niya. Ang kailangan nyo lang is pull the lever. At ayan, pwede mo na i-transform ang chair mo into a wonderful recliner. Tapos alam nyo ba guys, na supported to ng COD, tapos fast shipping na rin. Pwede na rin kayo mag-pick up pero sa website lang yung pag-purchase. 14 days of return service, plus 2 years warranty, and free replacement of parts within those 2 years. Promise, mas worth itong gaming chair na to kasi mas maganda na yung quality at much comfortable siya upuan. Hey guys, if you love this product at gusto nyo rin magkaroon ng ganitong type ng high quality gaming chair, make sure to check out Muso Philippines dito sa mga links na ipopost ko sa comment section. At saka, dito rin pala sa mga social media platforms nila. Yay!